All right, Montgomery County, so time for wings. I don't even know what day of the week it is, but we are going to support, and today we're gonna go to, you know what, that's a good question. Where are we going? Dutch Cottage in Skip Pack. So let's order up some wings, take a little ride in the car, pick them up, and have some lunch.
Dutch Cottage.
Hi, I was calling to place an order for pickup.
Yeah, give me 1 second.
Yeah, take your time.
What can I get for you?
Can I have 10 or 12 wings, Cajun sauce on the side?
All right, 12 bone-in, dry, with Cajun on the side.
Yes, sir. Can I also do a pound or half a pound of your French fries with cheese on the side?
All right, give me 1 second. Okay, and then a half a pound.
Half a pound, yes.
Fries with cheese.
Yes, sir.
Okay, anything else?
That's going to be it. And can I have an extra blue cheese, even if I have to pay a couple extra for that? That's fine.
Yep, we got you.
Awesome.
All right, so it's 12 bone-in Cajun. You want the Cajun on the side?
Yes, sir.
And then half pound with cheese and extra blue cheese.
Correct. And the cheese for the fries will be on the side as well, correct?
Yeah, I always put it on the side.
My man. Perfect.
You paying cash or credit?
What's better for you?
It doesn't matter. I mean, if you're paying credit, I got to bring the food out to you so I can take your card now.
I'll tell you what. I'll pay cash, and it'll be $20 even. You guys keep the change.
All right, I appreciate it. Yeah, it's $17.23.
You got it, my man. I'll see you guys soon. Let's go eat. All right, so we are on our way to pick up wings, and for those who don't know, I guess you could say I have a love, maybe some would call it an addiction for really good wings. Probably about 2 months ago, we went and asked people who makes the best wings in Montgomery County, and we got a few suggestions. Well, today we're going to Dutch Cottage in Skip Pack because they were one of the suggested places. So I'm excited. You excited, Cody?
Actually, I am.
He's excited, but he's not even getting any wings. But let's see what this is all about. So we are literally down the street now, and the suspense has built. I don't know if it's the suspense or my hunger, but one of the two, or both, they're taking over. They've launched a war, and they are winning. Hey, this is Chris. I am here to pick up wings whenever you're ready. All right, buddy. That's all yours.
Thank you.
Thank
I
you.
appreciate it.
Have a good one.
Thank you.
Yep, you too. That was simple. Got the wings, got the fries, headed home. Moment of truth. Got the half a pound of fries, looking delicious. The cheese, got the white cheese sauce. And then for what we really came for, although my cheese is not very whizzy. Oh, look at that. So there you have it. Oh, Cajun sauce and blue cheese. So we're gonna dig into these, and I'm sure we're gonna love it. What's the name of this place? Dutch Oven. Dutch Oven. Shout out to Dutch Oven. Remember to go support local businesses because right now, more than ever, they need us. Go Montgo.